welcome to my channel. I am Riya Qureshi and this is my first video. Today I'm going to be reviewing two products, a shampoo and a face moisturizer. Hopefully this is going to be helpful to the people that have a similar skin type with me and have been coloring their hair or might have recently colored their hair. And this video is in collaboration with Foxy, a new platform that allows beauty influencers and artists to connect with brands and savvy shoppers. So before I talk about the product, I'm going to be talking about my skin. My skin is a combination of dry and oily. The T section of my face is oily while the other portion is dry. So whenever I apply makeup or I'm out in the sun, it tends to break out, and I wanted something that would help me with that and something that was non-greasy, because in the end, after my face being oily is what leads to me having acne or any breakouts as such. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing that I'm going to be reviewing today is the Mamaearth oil-free face moisturizer that consists of apple cider vinegar. This is the product. Balance the pH level of my skin, and it also helped reduce the breakouts. You can apply it before applying your makeup or even when you're not applying your makeup. It is really very nice. It has a smooth finish and a non-greasy formula. My face did not get oily for so many hours after applying this, and also it reduces acne. So whenever I apply makeup for quite some hours, I've left it for quite some hours, I tend to get acne or breakouts. And also when I'm out in the sun for quite some hours, I come home, I look at my face, and I don't like that happening to my skin because I'm a lazy girl. So I will not take efforts to take so much care applying so many things. I needed something that was effective and light for me and that I could easily use and that would be helpful. This was it. I used this and I applied it on my face. I've been doing some shoots, so I applied this before I applied my makeup. I also apply it when I'm not using any makeup. Like right now I don't have any makeup except baby lips on my face, so I have that on my face. It does not make my face oily at all. It's completely matte right now and smooth. It's very light and it keeps the skin hydrated for quite some time. It feels good. I think my skin feels better, and let's see what the results are in long term. So far I've liked it a lot because I've recently started using this one.
Okay, so the second product that I'm going to be talking about is the L'Oreal Seri Expert Series Vitamino Color Shampoo.
I've also used the Absolute Repair one. The Seri Expert series is really very nice, and I would also advise for someone that's using this shampoo, go for the conditioner and the spa too along with it, because that helps complete the process. Now this one, the Vitamino Color Shampoo, I am the kind of person that ends up coloring my hair way too much. I've been coloring my hair since I was 16, and I think there's not been a single year when I haven't colored it. I change my color every 3 to 6 months, and I've used so many colors. I've bleached it, I've gone pink, red, blonde, and I don't even remember half of it anymore. So those of you that know me are already aware of my craziness. So this shampoo helps my hair stay hydrated, and it has vitamin E, which is good because of all the damage that's done, and then it protects your hair from any further damage in case you're still in the process of coloring or changing colors. If you've recently done it, then it protects your hair from frizz, it retains the shine, and if you do not use it in excessive amount, you have to be very careful as to how and in what amount you use any product, because if you use excessive of it, then you might also end up having hair fall. So if you use this in the right amount, you might not have hair fall, and it will protect the shine, it will help you maintain the thickness of your hair. And my hair is not dry anymore. As you can already see, I've colored it 5 times and I washed my hair with this the last time. Plus the smell, I really love the smell. It's very light, mild and refreshing. The smell, it's too good, the smell of this, and it stays in my hair for about 2 days and I like it. So that's it about these are the two products. I would recommend people that have a combination and oily skin to use the moisturizer. Do try it. And the shampoo for people who tend to color their hair or have colored their hair or maybe have damaged their hair already and want to fix the damage that is already there. These two products are really amazing. Take it from a person that has tried and tested. Okay, so that's it for today's video, and as I've already mentioned that this video was in collaboration with Foxy, so these products are available on the app. I'll add the link in the description below. This is the box that it came in. I really love the packing. These are the products.
I also received a surprise gift for ordering from them.
that's it for today's video. If this was helpful to you in any way, do let me know in the comments section. Like, share and subscribe to my channel in case you want to be updated about more things related to skin and hair. I'm going to be putting up tips and hacks and thank you. Bye bye and stay safe.